the NERF Ultra 1. The NERF Ultra 1. Its design is awesome. I prefer you guys to take this gun. Yes, it's very cool. Here is the back side of the gun. Okay, this gun. No. Okay, so these are the Ultra darts. They are also presented and you can see them from here too. Yeah, again. Alright, these darts are similar to Mega and are the most fastest and longest range darts ever. Okay, I will unbox this. I am the monster! I will cut you down! Here is the speciality of the dart. As you've seen in many NERF guns, sometimes you have seen that the darts fell off from the gun, but this is something special in the Ultra darts. There's something here. I figured this mystery out that it takes here, so that your dart can rest in the drum and it may not fall. And it helps to make it fast. And it also helps it to make it very fast. That's the main reason. Open!
And behold!
Behold! The NERF Ultra 1!
Where the heck is the drum?
Yeah. Is this all? How can you fix this?
Oh no. That's not how it goes. That's not how it goes. Okay, just stop.
These? No, I know how to do it. I think they slide on here.
I think we'll have to read the instructions. This is ridiculous.
Super. It is utterly super ridiculous. And where the heck are the instructions? Huh? No instructions? What is happening? What the? That has never happened. You must have made Don't go in. Alright. Okay, here's the instructions. Now let's see how to assemble. Here are the instructions. Okay, I'm just setting up the dart so I can take time. Oh yes, it's all designed. Everything is very awesome. But the most difficult thing is assembling.
How much time did it take us actually?
Actually, it took us 15 or 10 minutes. So you guys will also take 15 or 10 minutes to assemble the drum. You can see the dart is not falling even a single time. Yeah, it will fall one time. That means at the time it was NERF board. So you understand.
Show them that gold pieces and the design of this code.
Mine is awesome. I say that it's looking really good.
Yeah, show it again. I'll make it zoomed in.
And on the back side, it's very bad. White side.
Yeah, it's usually bad on the back side.
Enough clever, enough funky. Get this thing up. Yes. I figured it out. Fish.
That's the jam in the thing. If you bought a jam. No, don't put it from there. Don't put it from there. Spin the drum. Yeah.
Where's the extra dart picture? Yeah, here it is. What? How?
Hey.
We are doing it at this time. This is the very special day.
Bad music, actually. Alright. Have you
What?
You haven't loaded the batteries.
Oh.
Okay, let me just bring the battery.
I wasn't thinking of it. Battery this one?
Of course, there's battery everywhere.
Hey, mine's weird. Okay. I have assembled the gun. I have done it from the battery. And
I think for now we need the remote batteries. I'm gonna just move.
This is a question. What's the question? Yeah.
Show me the batteries.
No, that's not crazy. Jim. What the? Where the heck can you have an ultra large jam on? You didn't put it in the properly.
You're a nitpick, as I said earlier.
Hey. Yeah.
Let me just put it the set back. Where the heck are the batteries?
I sense we
I know, it's in the instructions.
instructions were lying down there. The cardboard box is lying there, and now the instructions is lying there. What such things is? Wait, let me show you one second.
You need a screwdriver. Bring a screwdriver. You know where it is, right? Yeah.
Okay. In the balcony. It's in the left.
It goes right now.
Oh, screwdriver!
Yeah, count it. Oh, count it. You need the smaller one. Bring it from the mechanics box.
Okay, so finally we have assembled everything in here by the battery. So that's now time when we test it. We assembled everything, we drop everything, yes, and we can change the batteries. It's time for the target test. How does it taste? Seeds target and everything. My target is this basket of pencils filled with. If the target is completed, if my target goes, then please comment down in the comments. Oh. Did it go really?
It went to the white basket, not the pencil basket.
But
The color. Go to the color pencil basket. All right, go. Jam. Okay, that was a perfect target, right? Come in below. Come in.
We're waiting for your comments. So I hope you have been walking back and coming down. 1, 2, 3, 4.